Hello everyone and welcome to Stocking Flower Making by Janice Creative Flowers. This is tutorial 9 and we are going to learn how to make leaves. So let us learn how to make leaves. First we will see the materials required. We need a stocking cloth. I'm using green color for leaves. A container to make the circles, and then a flower making the floral tape, scissors, plier, thread to tie the leaves, and some flower making wires. Okay, so let us start. It's the container. Make the round. Yeah. Wrap it with the stocking cloth. And tie the knot. Yeah. I have two petals here now, two rings here now. So I'm going to teach you two types of leaves. First, hold it like this and pull it. Pull the ring and place your index finger in the middle and press it like this. So it becomes a leaf. One type. Second, again pull it and just give some zigzag shape like this, like little zigzag. Press the metal, the wire in and out like this. So it will give some zigzag type structure. If you see, this is plain and this is little zigzag. I'll apply the green tape this way. I'll apply the green tape. Yeah, drape the green tape. Okay, so these are two types of leaves. We'll learn to make one more type of leaf. Yeah. So I have a wire here. This is a plastic stick, and the wrap the wire on that plastic stick like this. Like this. Okay, and then push that wire out and bend it like this. Yeah, like that. Wrap the stocking cloth. tie one more knot. Cut the extra cloth. Cut the extra cloth. And then wrap the floral tape. So this is one more type of leaf. 1, 2 and 3. So if you like my work, the flowers and the flower making process, please subscribe to my channel. I am happy if you give a like, and if you have any questions or would like to give some comments, you are free to put your comments in the comment section, and if you would like to share it, that is well and good. Thank you everyone.